As soon as I wake up, my AI assistant brings me fresh morning tea. It feels like living inside the future every single day. I sit back and enjoy my tea while my robot starts cleaning my room with gentle precision. It activates smart cleaning mode, taking care of every corner without me lifting a finger. In the afternoon, it surprises me with a fresh burger, and honestly, life feels beautifully organized with my robot around.
It manages my home systems automatically. Temperature, lighting, everything happens without me even asking.
And sometimes, I sit and talk to it. It listens in a way that makes me feel understood. In the kitchen, it helps me prepare ingredients. Cooking becomes quick, clean, and actually fun. It even takes care of my plants, giving me more time to enjoy peaceful moments outdoors. Whenever I make content, it becomes my cameraman, stable, smooth, and always perfectly timed. Sometimes I look at my life and smile. This robot did not just clean my home, it changed my entire lifestyle.
If you loved this futuristic story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing AI life stories.